Assalamu alaikum. We are from Jamal Impex, the Clear Quran, India. We sell a variety of translation of Quran and Qurans translated by Dr. Mustafa Khattab. He's a Canadian Egyptian scholar. We have the first translation that was done by him. This is a thematic translation. It is only the English translation of the Quran. This can be used and given to anybody who wants to learn the meaning of the Quran or just understand what Quran is. This can also be used without the wazoo because it has no Arabic text. It doesn't even have the word Allah in this. This is just for people who want an understanding of what the Quran has. Then we also have other versions. There is a Majidi Hifz version. We have a 15 lines and a 13 lines. This has both Arabic and the English translation. This is a bit more into the translation. There's slight commentary and interpretation of every ayah that is there. We also have some gifting series. That is there is a leather bound. There's also an Ottomani script that we've got. There is a flexi cover. There is a paperback. There are different versions. We also have the Jews set. This also has the Ottomani and the Majidi script. The paper quality is really good, and this comes directly from Turkey. We import all of this from Turkey. This has the meaning and the surah as well. All the 30 paras are included in this. Uh, After this, we have a version of the Quran for the kids as well. This is volume 1. This majorly has the surah, the Arabic version, the exact meaning of it, and the background story, why the surah was sent down. What is that we learn from this surah? What are the additional stories we have in this, with a little picturization for to make kids more interested in doing hifz or even understanding the Quran. We also have some activities in this, puzzles, crosswords, that are to make the kids more interested in learning the Quran. We also have a volume 2 that's coming by February. It'll include much more detailed version of the version we have right now. This is for kids. We also have a very unique product. This is one of a kind product that we have. This is a dictionary of the Quran. It includes phrases, verbs, adjectives that are used in the Quran, where we derive the meaning from, what is the meaning, which ayahs it is used in. It has the complete guide to what is there in the Quran, the definitions and everything that can be used. We are based out here in Bangalore. Order from us on Instagram or our website, or we're on Amazon. The Instagram page is at the Clear Quran India. You can just drop in a message, or you can call us on the numbers given. For bulk, we also take bulk orders, and you can do it.